After 7 decades and years of review, the state officially exonerated the Groveland Four.
The 4 African-American men were accused of raping a white woman back in 1949. The governor pardoned the 4 men last year following an extensive investigation from the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. News 6's Mike DeForest is in studio now with details. Mike?
Well, Lisa, it was a big deal 2 years ago when Governor Ron DeSantis granted pardons for the Groveland Four, but their criminal charges remained on the books. They were still accused of crimes. Then, just a few months ago, some new evidence surfaced that gave the state attorney legal grounds to get those charges thrown out. Carol Greenlee broke into tears after a judge cleared her father's name 72 years after his arrest.
The state's motion to set aside the judgment and sentence of Charles Greenlee is hereby granted.
The Groveland Four, Walter Irvin, Samuel Shepard, Charles Greenlee, and Ernest Thomas, were accused of raping a white woman in 1949.
That my father was a caring and loving, compassionate person that did not rape anybody.
Lake County authorities have since concluded the men were the victims of fabricated evidence and false testimony. Just 2 months ago, investigators discovered a pair of pants worn by one of the men did not contain a semen stain, as prosecutors originally suggested to a jury.
I wanted there to be a legal reason to get here.
State Attorney William Gladson used that new evidence to get the charges thrown out.
I hope that this is a start, because there's a lot of people that didn't get this opportunity.
Aaron Newsom's uncle, Ernest Thomas, was killed by a posse before deputies could even arrest him. Another one of the Groveland Four, Samuel Shepard, was shot and killed by a former Lake County sheriff who claimed the suspect tried to escape. Shepard's cousin was Beverly Robinson.
We thank you for finishing, as Carol has said, a job that some did not have the courage to finish.
The Groveland Four were originally represented by attorney Thurgood Marshall, who would later become the first black U.S. Supreme Court justice. His son traveled to Lake County to see the charges finally dismissed.
Perhaps more than any other case my father worked on, this one haunted him.
Now, the woman who accused the Groveland Four of rape is now in her 80s. As recently as 2 years ago, she was still standing by her story that they were the ones who attacked her. But based on the facts that are known today, State Attorney Gladson says no fair-minded prosecutor would ever consider filing criminal charges, and no reasonable jury would convict them. Matt and Lisa.
Mike DeForest, thank you.
Long time coming there.